Hi everyone, welcome to my blog. So today I'm going to be sharing our experience of driving this BMW 5 Series car. So BMW 5 Series is a great car. It's probably one of the most well-rounded luxury mid-size car, which is why it places near to the top ranking cars in the industry. It has a powerful engine, gives a smooth ride with a premium interior. The digital user-friendly technology is very useful. It is a 3-litre engine, 2020 plate, color is charcoal grey, and the fuel type is diesel. This is my first experience of driving a diesel car, and I must say I was quite impressed. Its Euro status is Euro 6, therefore it is EULA's compliance. EULA's was introduced by the London Mayor to meet the European emission level. So basically, if you live in the UK and you're travelling to London and going within the EULA's area, you have to pay a charge of £12.50 per day, which is chargeable 24 hours a day. And with this car, basically, we don't have to pay the EULA's charge. However, it is not congestion charge free. Congestion charge is also a charge paid by people who go into London within the congestion charge area. So anyway, this beautiful car has a 6-cylinder 3-litre diesel engine with 261 bhp. It does about roughly 0 to 62 miles per hour in about 5.7 seconds, pretty fast. It's packed with many features, but the features that stand out to me are the keyless entry, push start, auto start and off, front back sensors for parking, but sadly it doesn't have any parking cameras. Given the age and the price, I would have expected it to have the extras. However, the sport models do have the cameras. This car comes with 3 driving modes: Pro, Eco mode, Comfort mode and Sports mode. All 3 modes has substantial difference in driving experience. I love the fact that it has hands-free boot release, cruise control and 18-inch alloy wheels. The car is fully equipped with many safety features, including auto braking system, and is fully equipped with passenger driver airbags. It's also been awarded a 5-star from Euro New Car Assessment Program, the crash testing program. I love the interior of this car. It's fully leather and it comes with iDrive touch system, AC climate control. The car is packed with infotainment such as radio, Wi-Fi hotspots, Bluetooth audio connectivity, ambient lighting, heated front seats, sat nav, and it's got BMW's iDrive information system with 10.25-inch touchscreen. Rotary control enables you to control all function of the infotainment, which is great while you're driving, Apple CarPlay and much more. Practicality wise, this car has good legroom both front and back. Also, it has large and deep boot space, which is perfect for us. What I love about it is it's got ISOFIX, which I love because it's easy to just put the baby car seat, click it in, click it out. Internal seating is fully leather with lumbar support, and the heated seat facilities are great for the winter season. I must say the internal night view is beautiful. I have included some shots at the end of the video of the night view. Please do watch till the end and enjoy. In terms of fuel economy, from our experience, we were able to achieve 50 miles to the gallon. However, that also would depend on how the car is driven and internal facility used, like the AC or the heating system. Also bear in mind the different modes of driving experience. So if you drive on sports mode, it can consume much more energy than if you drive on the eco mode. Please do enjoy to the end. I would also like to say that this is not a promotion of BMW. This is just totally my personal opinion and experience of driving this BMW. Thank you for watching. Please do like, comment and subscribe. Until next time, take care. Bye bye.